So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made my nail from beginning to end and how I got this beautiful chrome nails. Welcome back everyone to my channel. This is Hilda again. Today I'll be making a tutorial on making my nails with a nail polish that I got from Amazon, and this is the product that I bought. This is a set of nail polish with different colors, and then I also bought a base coat and a coat for the before and after the nail polish. Each packet comes with a little instruction note to follow. This is a sort of liquid that removes glutinous sticky gel from the nail before you apply the nail polish. This little bottle contains the liquid that will make all the oil from your nails go off, and it will let the gels stick well to your nail. These steps are very important if you want the gel to stick and last long on your nails. You will need to follow the steps. This is a dust brush, a small gel brush, and some files and buffer you will need. This is a cleaning wipe that will wipe out any residual left on your nail. And this is also a dust chrome that I got from Amazon, which I'll be putting on the nail after I'm done with the nail polish. So I'm going to start off by cleaning out all the residuals and dust from my nails after filing it. And then I'll be using this liquid to clean out every oil from my nails. This liquid is the same like the small bottle that I showed you earlier. They remove oil from your nails and prepare your nails for applying the gel on your nails. As you can now see, I have a very short nail and I'm going to need this sculpturing sticker to support the gel on my nail and also on the tip. This will help really form the form of the tip I want my nail to look like. One more time, I'm going to coat this liquid on my nails just to remove the oil, just in case I touched my nails while I was applying the sticker. Now I'm going to start applying the gel on my nails, and I'm going to put a very thin layer. But first I would need to dry the first layer and then apply the second layer on it. I'm going to go ahead and start filing my nails, and then when I'm done with filing it and everything is well leveled, I will clean it up with some substance to make it cleaner and remove any kind of residuals on it. And then I will start applying the base coat on my nails. This will allow the nail polish stick well to my nail. I'm going to put this into the lamp to let it dry, and after that I'm going to apply the gel polish, and I'll be applying it 3 times on my nails. Well, this is optional. You could do it 2 times depending on how you want it to be on your nails. So now I'm going to coat it with this little glitter. This is a chrome powder. It's going to give the chrome effect that I want to make this nail to look like. This is going to make it more brighter and more beautiful. I'm going to take this transparent coat and I'm going to use it to seal down every coat on my nail. This is going to be the last step, and after when I'm done with that, I'm going to put it straight into the lamp and it will dry up everything. This time I'm going to stay a little bit longer because I want the nails to dry properly. Now that I've finished making the nails, I'm just going to apply some cream on my hand to make it look more softer and cleaner. And I want to say thank you all for staying to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.